All right, so JavaScript format, insert space after keywords in control flow statements. So control flow statements are ifs, else, fors, switch cases, whiles, and do whiles. I think that's all of them. So let's open up a JS file. So this is set to false by default, which, wait, is it set to false by default? No, it's set to true by default, which means that it will insert a space after those keywords, right? So if we format the document, you'll see a space after these keywords. If you set it to false, it will remove them, right? And I have a for somewhere, right there. Now, the decision criteria here is developer performance. So when you are formatting code, the only thing that matters is that you optimize for developer performance. So how does the code, how do you format the code so that it's easier and therefore faster to read and to write, right? So writing, we don't run, even though you have to, technically, you would have to insert a space. If you do this, you don't really need to, because VS Code is formatting the code for you. So you can just write, you can do something like this. So you condition, and then when you save the file, or when you press enter and the format on type kicks in, the space is going to be there, right? So you can write as fast as possible and at the same time have the most readable type of code. Okay, so because this makes the code more readable and also distinguishes these keywords from functions, right? Because this, something like this looks like a function, right? If it's flush against the control flow statement. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this one as true for these reasons.